Hey guys, this is Cloud Computing Assignment 2. The purpose of implementing a cloud-enabled web application Foodie is to book a table. Not only does it help people to save time, but it also helps restaurants estimate demand more accurately, improving procurement and staffing, and managing costs more effectively. By managing the workflow in a better way, the restaurants will be able to provide a better quality of service by booking. This is the architecture of our assignment. We have the website, which is right the back end by PHP, and we connect the MySQL. And also, as is shown in image, we have the HDFS, which contains a Spark master and 2 slaves. And also we have a Jupyter, and it also connects to the HDFS. And these are all deployed on the Google Cloud.
For the applied technology, for our website, we use the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to implement this. And mainly we use the PHP to connect the database. And for database, we choose the MySQL to connect the database for our websites. We build our websites as PHP language. We put them in the virtual machine. And we also connect MySQL with the PHP in virtual machine. Later we will show you the website demo. And for HDFS, we put the CSV file in the HDFS to let the PHP and the Jupyter to grab the CSV. Into the database.
And we planned to use the Google NoSQL because the cloud data store is a highly scalable NoSQL database that can be used in our application. But we actually use the MySQL, which is a relational database management system, because we are more familiar with the MySQL. And it has many advantages, like it's secure and easy, and admin can grant all appropriate permission to applications that access stored procedures in the database.
And we build a Spark environment in the Jupyter, and also the Jupyter can provide the PySpark environment inside. Yeah.
For the database design, there are 2 users. For DDB user, we use the MySQL, which we mentioned before, and we have 2 tables, which are restaurants and reservation. And for restaurants, we have some details, and the structure are shown on the slides. And for DFS user, we also have a large amount of data, which is a CSV file, and we will analyze it in the Jupyter. For Spark programming, at first, we get the HDFS CSV file from the HDFS, and analyze it and put and print the data, which you can see in the first top image. And then we try to get the highest votes restaurants, and we print top 5 rows as is shown in the second image. And also we use the Python to print it as a graph, which is a right done one. There are some references we'll use. Two of them are images, and another things we used in the front end.
So for the next, we'll show you the demo of our website. First, we go into the virtual machine and to grab the internal API. And in the new tag, we slash, because we saved our file in the web file. There we go. All right. So that's our website for the booking reserve of the restaurant. And we can click the book the table.
Yeah, and we can input the restaurant name.
Restaurant. Oh.
Yeah, and
Momo chicken. Okay.
And our own name, and also the phone number. And we can choose the date and the time. And also the number of people. And click the reserve a table button.
Yeah.
And it will show a success.
And it will jump to the main page for the fooding. And for the database saved, we will show you how we actually save the database inside. And for that, we will use the virtual machine to go inside the database we create in the virtual machine. There we go. And we will sudo docker -ti and mysql /bin/bash. Yep, go inside. And we input the mysql -u root -p password, and we enter the password as password. There we go. And once we go inside the MySQL, we will show database, and we will use infs3208. Yep. And show tables. And that's our database. And describe. Reservation. Sorry for the typing error. Yep, there we go. And we will select all, because we saved our data in the reservation, so we select all from reservation. Sorry. And as we mentioned, as we do in the demo, we save the Bob and the phone number and the date of time and the restaurant. We are saving the database.
Yeah, that's all our project. Thanks.